Hey guys, today we're making a slime video again. So first you're gonna need a little, hold on guys. You need like a little bowl. Use a little chopstick, some toothpaste, and this, and some glue. And some shaving cream. Just gonna add some glue. And that's it. Already poured in my glue, my shaving cream, and mix that up. Okay. Pour in some toothpaste and mix it up as you can see. I hope you like this, and I already got that. And if you already do the second thing, just put up the third thing, just put up in here. I already put my glue and my shaving cream, and then now I'm putting in the person guys. I got like a little closet to stop with, so this is how it looks right now. Guys, I love making slime. Like, I'm addicted. It's that I'm gonna probably stop making slime videos because some people is not like, I'm not getting a lot of views like I used to, and no likes or nothing. And if y'all can do that, I can give y'all a free Xbox One. But if that don't happen, I'm gonna put in some clear Denver soap in. Some green clear Denver soap in. Guys, it's literally already forming. Kinda. What was liquidy? Oh my god, my camera fell. Sorry guys. It's like kind of firm. So guys, guys, I'm gonna put in like a little bit of orange paint. Because you know I don't go out like green. Let's put some awareness. It's baking soda, guys. I just added like a little bit. Guys, it's fun. So guys, I'm gonna check them out. See. Is it actually formed? I feel like it's so happy. And guys, look, it's like, I hope it wasn't like a little fail. I think it was a fail. Let's see. Gotta find out. First of all, guys, it wasn't a fail. It was that it's very sticky. For sure. I mean, for sure. Guys, it's not that sticky. Guys, I'm just gonna keep mixing this up. And guys, it worked. I'll be right back, guys. thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. And I'll see y'all. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, and press that bell. And comment below what videos y'all want me to do next. Goodbye.